Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to It's a Beautiful Day. And they are gonna sing the song Soapstone Mountain.
Yeah, It's a Beautiful Day. I remember this name. We have heard them before, or at least I have. It's a Beautiful Day is the name of the band, and Soapstone Mountain is the name of the song. For first timers, it would be very difficult to identify which is a band and which is a song, because on YouTube it's always put with a dash in between, which doesn't make sense. Because sometimes it is put first, the song title, sometimes the song title comes second. But on our channel, it's almost every single time the artist name is highlighted. It's by putting it in bolder font, uppercase lettering, so you easily know who's the artist and who's the song. The dash doesn't matter. In fact, it's not even there. So it's very easy to identify which are the artist names. Of course, sometimes, very rarely, when it's artists like U2, and after that it is A. So it comes U2 and then A also capital. So that may be little confusing, but obviously everyone who knows music, or at least modern music, knows who's U2. Yeah, so anyway, It's a Beautiful Day with their song Soapstone Mountain. It's an open, sincere, pure, raw, spontaneous, unscripted, uncut, impromptu review by Kirti and me. That's the way we do it every single video. We never cut the song, we never pause the song or our recording. What you see is a whole through fulfilling review that you get from us, whether pure or impure. That is never the question on Inoma. It's always pure, it's always true, it's always honest, it's always from the heart, sincere. Obviously, when it's made this way, every single reaction video, there's no way we can satisfy everyone, because sometimes we will not like a song the way you do, and sometimes we will like a song a lot more than you do. So it's always going to be up and down. It's for you to understand that and take it, appreciate the work that we do, just enjoy it. And if you don't like us for some reason, whether it's for our skin color, location, or anything else, there's a very nice, simple option for you. Leave.
Goodbye, baby.
Never ever see a reaction video of ours again. Life is too short to waste your time on such trivial things, whether it's talking about us or you. That's it for this one. Let's get started. It's a Beautiful Day, Soapstone Mountain.
Soapstone Mountain.
Jeez,
Wow!
it's a beautiful day, and what a rocking performance this was. What are your thoughts on this one?
It was literally like party in my ears. The moment the music began, he's got a great voice. This is great music, and this was wholesome, holistic music. The way they play, and
Very
there was a female
fulfilling.
sound as well.
Very fulfilling, and the beauty of listening to songs like that is you learn so much of the world. You know that you didn't know before you started hearing this song. Before we started listening to this song, we didn't know about a place called Soapstone Mountain.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's a
Definitely
real place.
Yeah.
But now we know. We know it's a beautiful place. It's a wonderful place. It has so many memories for this band and for other people who live there probably. So you learn new things as you react to music, you know, new topics, new places, new things. And that's the beauty of being here as reactors on this amazing platform called YouTube. And even for the viewers, they learn new things about so many different aspects of life through YouTube videos and songs like these and reactors like us both. So what are your thoughts on all this? The music firstly and the lyrics, the voices, the two voices apparently, the second voice coming right at the end, the female voice.
Yeah.
Wow, there was so much in there. The tambourine, the drums, the guitar.
The organ.
Oh, and that organ player, wow. He was on a roll. He sounded like he was completely in it. And wow, beautiful, beautiful. Everything was amazing about it. Vocalist also was really, really good. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. I don't remember them too much, but after today and after hearing this song, I'll definitely remember them for a long time to come. This is a strong song and a very, very powerful performance by them. We heard the live audio performance. You can catch the whole audio and video in
Through
the
the-
original source video, which is in the description box below. Yeah, and you can also check out our Patreon page while you're at it to learn more about us and our channel if you're interested. That's the beauty and diversity that YouTube has to offer. People from different walks of life, different age group, different communities, different parts of the world coming together talking about music. What could be better? What could be better? The most important thing is where we consider ourselves as different and unique is because we are always sincere. And like I said in an earlier reaction of this reaction only in the intro, there are ups and downs that comes with it. When we are open and sincere, because we base our analysis and understanding of music based on our own interpretation, our own experiences, our own background, culture, etc. Obviously, it may not go down well with everyone. So keep that in mind. It's all about acceptance. It's all about embracing it. Just because I said I didn't like a song doesn't mean I don't like the band or I don't like the place where they're talking about. Nothing like that. I like everything about music. That's why I continue sitting here, both of us, and listening to it, sharing our thoughts. It's very important to embrace honesty when you see it. And we love to be honest. We love to be sincere. At the same time, we love to keep it uninterrupted, uncut, and open. An impromptu, unscripted, spontaneous review like the one we do every single reaction video that we do is really, really important in the world we live in
But
today.
also you
Just like this place.
Also, you have to add another feather to all of that you said, that we are also unbiased. No matter who we are listening to, whether it is a beautiful day today, or it could be Rolling Stones, or it could be
Michael
anybody
Jackson.
else. Yeah.
It's purely
We are
based on the
unbiased.
music. Purely based on the music. It's sometimes upsetting to read comments which say, oh, why are you reacting to Michael Jackson? He's done this and that in the past. If the song meets the licensing criteria of YouTube, and let me repeat that to make sense to all the patrons, subscribers and viewers. If the song meets the licensing criteria of YouTube and the guidelines of COPA and other acts on YouTube and in the world,
All of that are
as well
YouTube
as
guidelines.
our country's laws, we go ahead and react to it. No questions, no further questions asked. We have basic guidelines which are of the platform and our country. If it meets those guidelines, we go ahead with it. So we are totally unbiased. It doesn't mean if we have taken down a video, if we've not reacted to a song or on a particular artist, is not because we did it on our own. I guarantee you 100%. Find a song where we've taken it down or removed it because of any other reasons apart from YouTube and the guidelines on YouTube or in our country. Find one such reaction video. This has never happened. So it's always unbiased. Anyway, back to the song and the lyrics, Kirti. What are your thoughts on the lyrics, this place, and everything else?
I believe in a life like this. I believe in these kind of, pleasures, joys of life, what the song is talking about. So this is a song for me. And I could not be any less delighted with the music that went along with it. I love the way it was sung by the vocalist. I like that organ bit in the song. We have heard organ before, we have heard ELP,
Many
we have
times.
heard Kansas, we have heard Uriah Heep, we have heard Bandigraph Generator.
Even in general, hundreds
Yeah,
of times we've
so
heard.
much.
Even in everyday life, we hear music which
But
is organ.
there was something
Lot of
about
organs.
these people. There was something about these people, the way it was placed, the way it was constructed, the timing of it all. I don't know what, but it was very, very nice to listen to at that time. It was impactful, it was powerful to listen to at that moment. And I like Tamarind added effect to the entire song, giving it a slightly, mild feminine touch to the entire thing.
And the lyrics doesn't it remind you of songs like, Country Roads and
Yes, it does.
other songs which talk about going back to your countryside home,
Getting back to the nature.
getting back to nature,
Yeah.
the simple life, the laid back style of living, though many of them work very, very hard in the countryside,
Yeah.
whether in our country or in any other part of the world. So, what are your thoughts on that? You've been born and raised in the countryside. What are your thoughts on these lyrics, which probably are very close to your heart till today?
What I believe, and I don't expect everybody to think that way or understand this concept, but the thing is, when people earn money in cities, what they have certain goals in their minds already set. That if I get $100,000, this is my goal. If I get $500,000, this is what I'm going to do with that. If I earn $1 million, the list is already ready. Those expenses are already ready before even they get to those dreams, get to those goals that they set for themselves. And this is the common thing for most people. Some of them have a bigger goal as per their level, as per their background, as per what work they do, and some of them have smaller who are from humble backgrounds and things like that. But in cities mainly it is all about how to achieve that goal, which is very material in nature.
Materialistic.
Yeah. But for me, I'm very happy earning money, but I don't have those goals, and I don't know. It does not make sense for me to have those goals. If I earn so much money, I'm going to do that, and if I earn that much money, I have kept in mind I want to buy that watch, and I have to wear that watch. This is what my aim is for this year.
Yeah,
it hasn't been that way.
Yeah, it's mainly for us. I think it's about that, having a comfortable, peaceful life.
It's a daily
wonderful
quality of life.
Yeah, daily quality of life. If that's good, even if we make more money, less money, doesn't matter. And this is what they are talking about here. Way up on this wonderful
He
place.
said you don't have to swim
wonderful
the sea.
mountain.
You don't have to climb the mountain.
It's a beautiful day for you and me. So that's what matters at the end of the day. If every single day when we wake up, we are looking forward to the day ahead, the beautiful day ahead, may I add, and when you go to sleep, you thank God for a beautiful day that you had. It's a complete existence. If you die that night, it doesn't matter. You will die with a smile on your face because it was a beautiful day for you and for others around you, your loved ones, the ones who are near and dear. Beautiful song. That's it for this one. Goodbye.